Good morning, my butterflies. How are you all? All of you fine? Okay, children. Today we are going to revise Pink Scheme, Object Box or Sound Words. So without any further delay, shall we move to the video? What can you see here? Yes, this is a dog. Shall we read it? D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. Okay. Children, what is here in the picture? This is a box. B-O-X. Box. Box. Okay. What can you see here? This is a log. L-O-G. Log. L-O-G. Log. Okay. What can you see here? This is a fox. Shall we read it? F-O-X. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Fox. Very good. Children, what is here? This is a dot. D-O-T. Dot. Dot. What can you see here? Yes, this is a pot. P-O-T. Pot. Pot. Shall we read all the words once again? Dog, box, log, fox, dot, pot. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.